Hey, welcome back to MoneyScopeTV. Today I'm taking you on a whirlwind tour of a topic that sounds intimidating, but I promise, it's totally doable. We're talking about how the global economy really works in plain English. No confusing jargon, no charts that make your eyes glaze over. Let's get right into it. So, what is the global economy? Picture the world like a massive machine, billions of people, millions of businesses, all trading goods, services, and money every single day. That's the global economy in action. Every country is busy producing, trading, borrowing, lending, spending, and saving, and all of these activities connect through trade, currencies, interest rates, and supply chains. And here's the catch. When one part of this system slows down, say, China's factories or changes in US interest rates, the effects ripple across the entire planet. Now, who are the key players? First up, central banks. These big institutions, like the US Federal Reserve or the European Central Bank, control interest rates and the money supply. When prices rise too fast, they hike up rates to cool things off. When things get too slow, they drop rates to fuel growth. Then you've got governments deciding on taxes, regulations, and spending. They might boost the economy during tough times by sending out stimulus checks or cutting taxes. Third, there are international institutions such as the IMF, World Bank, and WTO. They step in to lend cash, set trade rules, or fund big projects when countries run into trouble. And finally, this might surprise you, you are a key player too. How you spend, save, or even panic creates waves across the entire system. If billions of people stop buying, everything slows down. Next, let's talk about the 5 engines that keep the whole thing running. Number 1, production. That's what countries make, like China with manufacturing, Saudi Arabia with oil, or the US with tech and services. Number 2, consumption. This is all about how much people spend. Richer countries like the US have economies driven mostly by shoppers like you and me. Number 3, trade. Countries sell what they're good at and buy what they're not. This back and forth shapes the balance of global power. Number 4, debt. Countries borrow money all the time, sometimes from each other, sometimes from their own banks. The US, for example, owes over $30 trillion. And finally, number 5, currency. Exchange rates matter a lot. A weak currency makes exports cheaper, but imports pricier. Think US dollars, euros, yen, and yuan. But what happens when things break? We've all seen it. In 2008, a US housing crash sparked a worldwide financial crisis. In 2020, COVID shutdowns led to supply chain chaos. War in Ukraine in 2022 sent energy prices through the roof. And just recently, inflation and interest rates have caused a global slowdown. The world economy is like a domino chain. When one falls, the rest feel it. So why should you care? Because this stuff impacts your job, your investments, your grocery bill, and even your retirement. The more you understand, the smarter your decisions will be. The global economy might seem complicated, but I'm here to break it down for you. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. And let me know in the comments. What part of the economy still confuses you most? Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one.